welcome back to my channel. It has been longer than I expected. I apologize. Per my last video, I am still burning out. It's great time. I'm feeling it. The end of the year grind. Anyway, it is literally the last day of the year today, and we are going to have a bit of a shop with me, tidy this house, organize my life, so the new year is kind of off to a good start kind of video today. So that's the plan. We are about to go to Kmart, which is going to fix my soul. I haven't been in a long time. There's a few things I've got my eye on, one specifically that I would love to get, but I think it's either so new that it's not showing stock online yet, or it's relatively new and was so popular that it's completely sold out. So we're gonna go suss that out, see if I can find it. There's a few other things that I need, a few other things I've got my eye on that I want. So that's the plan. Plan of attack for today is Kmart. I wanted to get my nails done, but I don't think that's gonna be in the cards. I don't think I'm gonna have time. And I'm still a bit nasally, FYI, so sorry about that. Yeah, so let's get started. Up nice and early to do the shopping first, get it out of the way, and then we are going to completely smash cleaning this house. So that's the plan. And if I film it, I'll be accountable and I'll do it, hopefully. Alright, I'm assuming there may be comments about it. Frosty's in a cone because she hurt her toe. So, she's an idiot and it's her own fault. We are here. Goodness me, it has been a long time. The first thing that caught my eye when I walked in were these rectangular herringbone paper rope baskets. That is a mouthful, but these are gorgeous. I could not separate them with one hand though, so off we go to find some Kmart goodies. A few things here that I do like, that's the sushi making kit that I've got. I've also recently picked up this egg slicer and oh my god, it is phenomenal. Most ridiculous thing, but it's life-changing. This looks fascinating. It's a multi-tier laundry hamper. The baskets look like they are removable. It's $55, looks pretty functional and cool. Also, does anyone else only see garlic when you see these? That's all I see. This is another one of the newbies that I've seen online. This is the Hamptons shelf with hooks. It's a bit smaller than I thought it was going to be by looking online, but it is only $25. So if you're after a shelf, it's pretty cool. I always look at these every single time I go in, but we've never needed one, and now we need one. So into the cart it goes. It's only 25 bucks. And then these fans are $17. That is insane. So picked one of those up to keep us cool because it's getting real hot in the end bedrooms of our house. All right, it is December 31st. So it is a do things that are good for your soul day. So I got maggots. And it's really, really hot. So I got a frozen Coke, 2. And I'm gonna sit here and eat it because it's about 40 minutes to get home and I'm hungry. So how do you guys feel about the McDonald's paper straws? Because I hate them. Revolutionary. I have found a brain freeze life hack. I gave myself another brain freeze. Multiple, to be perfectly honest. But I pulled over because it was so bad and Googled it. If you do this, it goes away. Like, I tried it and it just went away immediately. Magic. So, you know, FYI. Wow. There you go. Life hack to start your 2023. Yay. Also, the clouds are so pretty today. See? They're so pretty. Anywho, just wanted to pop in and tell you that. fit. Yay! Okay, so I am home. I'm going to quickly show you the Kmart things. I also went to Chemist Warehouse, so I'll show you a few of the bits and pieces that I grabbed, and then we're going to get into the cleaning portion of today. Yay. Alright, so first thing, I grabbed a new visual diary. You guys, if you've been here for ages, would have seen me buying like the smaller ones, which I like to write. I just prefer to write in pages that I like. So I grabbed this one. This one is going to be my house projects one. I'm going to turn it into kind of like a vision board, but each page is going to be a different room of the house for what we want to achieve over the next year / 2 years / 3 years. So that is what this is going to be. The one thing I did forget to get is coloured printer ink because Evan said we're out, so I can't actually start printing anything, which is what I wanted to do in the morning, but that's fine. Not the end of the world. Second thing I grabbed is a weekly desk planner. I got this to take to work. I did get work things, but that was for work with the work credit card. This I got with my own money because I can't justify using the work credit card on personal items, obviously. So I grabbed a weekly desk planner. I'm hoping that this will be helpful. I have to write things down while I'm working, otherwise my brain can't function. So having all the days of the week, the water reminder might be good. I probably won't tick it off, but just seeing it will remind me to drink water. And then like just little other bits and pieces. It's got a little section for you to put the date, your priorities, your to-do, things to do next week, self-care, which doesn't really apply at work because work is burning me out, notes, and then a habit for the week and a little checkbox thing for whether you've done it or not. So I grabbed that for my own money. I think it was like, I don't know how much it was. I left all the receipts in the car, so sorry. Next thing I got is foldable pet carrier for this one right here. She has a surgery next week, which I don't want to talk about. So I needed a carrier for her to put her in the vet. Normally we just take her in a harness because she normally just goes for checkups, and she hates like her traditional carrier. She gets very, very stressed, starts doing the weird like panty thing, will sometimes poop herself. We won't embarrass her. And it's only like a 2-minute drive to the vet. So she gets very stressed in those carrier things, and I don't like putting them in her, but given she's going in for surgery, we're gonna need something. I'm hoping this will be better for her because it's got like a lot of vision points. When she's in the car, normally if she's in a carrier, she hates the car, absolutely hates it, and gets very, very stressed. But if she's not in a carrier, she and I like buckle her in like a dog. She loves looking out the window. So I'm hoping that the like see-throughness of this one makes her not stress as much because she's going to be stressed enough as it is. So wish us luck for that next week, but I'm hoping this works. This one was $25, I remember. They have like small, medium, large. Well, I only saw small and large, but I'm assuming they have a medium. But anyway, 25 bucks. Next thing, big thing, is a big fan. It is incredibly hot in this house. We need to get our windows, we need to get our windows replaced. They are not like efficient. It gets incredibly hot down the other end of the house. We only have one fan, and my plan is to clean out my filming room today. So we have one fan in Evan's study. We're gonna need another one, and this one was 19 bucks, and it's just a fan to move air around, so I'm not that big on spending heaps of money on it. So pedestal fan has 3 settings. Very simple. You all know what these are. Little things. Got some more socks. So the shoes I am wearing today, Evan bought me for Christmas. I have a few pairs of like ankle socks and things, but they're all very old and they're all slipping down my heels every time I wear these shoes, and it is driving me flippin' nuts. So socks, just little casual, no-show socks. Wow. I grabbed this. So I have allergies. I have an EpiPen that I have to carry with me at all times, and the bag, I've got it in a little Mimco pouch at the moment, which is very cute, but it's big and bulky, and I am looking to downsize my handbag a little bit. So I grabbed this little thing, and I feel like allergy wise, it's kind of great. Kind of great because it's see-through, so anyone, if I was to have a reaction, anyone that's going in my bag can just see the EpiPen in here. But anyway, grabbed a little baggie for my EpiPen and my tablets and things to sit in my handbag that I must carry at all times. So it's just like a little toiletries bag. It's a travel bag apparently, and it was $4. This is gimmicky, but I bought it anyway because they feel really cool. I feel like this is one of those things that people are either going to loathe it when they touch it or find it really satisfying. I find it really satisfying and soothing, but I am weird and have sensory things going on in my brain. So these are just the silicone sponges. They're a 2-pack, they're reusable, I can't talk, we're just gonna go with it. Reusable sponges, and they are just really satisfying. They kind of feels like, not an adult fidget spinner, but it's like a fidgety thing, like it's really satisfying to play with. But anyway, it is for cleaning, it's a sponge, so. I've never seen them before either, so interesting concept. Nail brush, self-explanatory. And SodaStream flavors. So you guys know we buy this one quite a lot. I spotted this one, which is apparently a lemonade version of this, which is what are these ones? They're the low calorie ones. So we're trying to be healthier coming into the new year. So low calorie soft drink is what we're going to be creating. Apart from the fact that I got this one too. So this is our special occasion one, which now that I'm looking at it, I'm kind of remembering that I think this comes out green. Anyway, creamy soda, lemonade, and orange. So soda flavors, because we've got a million gas bottles that we bought from Costco and no flavors to use it with. And I don't like sparkling water by itself. I don't like it. So this one will be, I'm hoping, my favorite. They also don't seem to have the lemon and lime, the one that I always get. I haven't seen it for a while, so. Alrighty, Chemist Warehouse. I grabbed more Telfast, which will go into this. The way my allergy works, depending on what nut I come into contact with, I can have these first sometimes if it's not as serious of a reaction. So I always carry that and my EpiPen. So that's what's going to go in there. I grabbed a new moisturizer because we got a new one the other day and I'm hating it. It is breaking out my skin and I don't like it. So I got a new one to replace that one. And I got 2 of these. This is just magnesium powder. I love this flavor. There's also I think it's like tropical or something. It's got like a mango or some kind of yellow fruit on it. I don't like that one as much, but both Evan and I really like this flavor, and it could be placebo effect. Don't know, don't care. It really helps me sleep a lot at night, and getting to sleep is something that I really struggle with. So I got 2 because they were only 20 bucks and they're normally like 40. I don't know if they're normally 20 bucks at Chemist Warehouse, I can't remember, but I know they are like 40 bucks elsewhere. So 20 bucks is pretty great. And that is everything that I got. Now I have to clean. All right, I'm starting in here. I have clean laundry that needs to be dealt with and put away. I have removed the hamper from here. I am stepping over the doggo, and I have placed all of the dirty laundry in here. That is the hamper. Also, if you guys remember when I built that, it's not doing so great. It was a very long time ago that I built it, but it's not holding up over time, which is probably totally fair because we feel it a lot. This is, oh, look at all the dog hair in there, that's nice. This is the situation. But I've had a new one for ages, so I will just have to build that today, I suppose, because this is not going to be holding anything else anymore. It's falling apart, but that's fine. So, dirty washing here. I've already got 1 load in, and I just need to make my way through this, put all that away, Christmas tree will turn into a New Year's Eve tree simply by removing the star and allowing the coloured lights to be on. Normally, we are not a coloured lights family, but for New Year's Eve, we will be. And yeah, so I have switched my glasses because the other ones are a bit more delicate, and if I end up playing with the dogs, they might break them. I've also switched my shoes. If you wear shoes, you will be more productive, but I don't want to wear my white ones and get them dirty. So, runners, more sturdy glasses, let's do this. Well, we've made progress. This is our loose sock, random alone socks pile. That's exactly what it's called. This, I'm gonna start a pile of all my Christmas stuff and put it away somewhere because I obviously don't need access to it for the rest of the year. These are Evan's tracksuits there that don't fit in our cupboard. So they're just sitting there because I don't know what to do with them. And I've done 3 loads down to 3 left. So, woo! And this floor is so gross. This is what happens when you don't vacuum for 2 days in this house. 2 days. Because of you. Yeah. Okay, I have vacuumed bedroom, kitchen. I've done all the dishes in here. Oh, sorry. This is about to finish. Wow, those are drying. I have created a pile of cardboard, and next is that dining table. That's the next thing to clear and organize. Last night, Evan and I organized on top of the fridge. I'm not sure if I have like background footage of a different vlog, but it was looking atrocious, and now we've redone this system. These things just don't fit in any drawer, so we need to come up with something else for that. But yeah, top of the fridge is looking good. Now, need to deal with this. Let's do it. All right, I'm done for today. The kitchen is clean, dishes are away, tidied, all good in there. This is clean and tidy. There's a few little bits and pieces, like there's stuff that needs to be put away still, but that's fine, that can happen tomorrow. But I'm feeling much calmer in this space now. When things are clean and tidy, I feel better. And what else? The Christmas tree is now a New Year's Eve tree, which will also be taken down tomorrow because that's done for the year. Washing's done. New laundry hamper thing. Evan and I put that together. Evan did much more than I did, but that is put together. It's got some cute little things on top, so I'm happy with that. And Evan's now putting the fan together as well. So pretty productive day. We did well. Kai's being a weirdo. What are you doing, bud? He needs to poop. Okay, well, with that, that is this video finished. Happy New Year. I hope you all have an amazing 2023. It's gonna be so much better than the past few years. It just will. All right, that's it for me today. I need to go get ready for our relaxing evening of drinking and getting ready for the new year. I will see you guys next time with another video. I have a few hauls coming up, and